Before the advent of ATMs, customers were restricted to banking hours and had to wait in long lines to access their money. ATMs quickly proliferated across the globe, becoming an essential part of everyday life. Banks recognized the immense potential of these machines and began installing them in various locations, from busy city centers to remote rural areas, providing unparalleled convenience and accessibility. Customers could now access their funds at any time of day or night, from locations around the world. This level of accessibility was particularly beneficial for travelers and those living in areas with limited banking facilities. Over the years, ATM technology has continued to evolve, incorporating advanced features such as touchscreens, biometric authentication, and even cryptocurrency transactions. Today, ATMs are more than just cash dispensers. They offer a wide range of banking services, including deposits, transfers, and bill payments. John Shepherd-Barron's invention has undoubtedly left a lasting legacy, revolutionizing the way we interact with our finances.